Our DeLonghi Combi microwave just arrived, as well as the 4-in-1 fan. Microwave actually costs 180, I think. 135, yeah. With insurance, because you're definitely going to buy insurance, since their insurance coverage covers accidental damage as well, so it's worth it to get. Total bill was like £240, yeah. Wow. This thing is 20.4 kilo.
Hitting button, press hitting button. Hitting button got one only.
Yeah, the fan switch only got one.
Yeah.
Today so many things arrived. Our new combi microwave, the 4-in-1 fan, and this fridge. Cooking lunch. Wow, so nice. Wow. Okay, makan. This is the Jubilee Greenway next to River Thames. This is Westminster. So I'm near Westminster. I'm going to continue talking because there are music playing in the background. Westminster Abbey is over here. This is Westminster itself, and that is the Elizabeth Tower, if you can see. And the day I didn't show clearly, this is their cabinet office. That entrance is over there. The guy with the high waist jacket. And as I mentioned, this is their Whitehall. Whitehall stands for their, it's like a word for them to refer to the government, UK government. Most of the buildings here are actually government buildings. Over there is Westminster on the left. This is London traffic. Trafalgar Square, super jam. I don't think I want to go through that. Horrible, horrible congestion. Super duper duper jam today. It has been like this for the past don't know how long. I came all the way from the other side to this side. It hasn't moved ever since. Total gridlock today, London. Just picked wifey up from Canary Wharf. So long we didn't come back here. Aiyo, so cute like you. Why?
Cool. Okay,
See
it's
today?
coming.
You see today I walk. Here. Look at that, look at that. We came back to the same place. Oh, did they give you a spoon?
No, they didn't give me.
勺子。喂，don't so hard, don't so hard. We came back to our favorite place here.
You came back
Okay.
to your favorite
This is
place.
stir-fried pork and our Neuro Ramen. And look at how many steps I walked today. 29,589 steps. This is not fake one, you know.
Actually, I didn't expect that lah. See, I walked 22 kilometers today. This is the longest I walked. That's why no wonder I feel my leg no feeling today.
No feeling still can walk one. I no feeling cannot walk already. This fella no feeling still can walk.
I use GPS track betul because I use my watch to track.
So I hope the insole will give you
Help me,
some.
yeah. I need to drink the soup already. I want the soup. Wow, so damn nice. So damn nice. I love this so much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a link to this place in the description. If anyone is in Canary Wharf, so happen. Today is extra beautiful. Today's Thursday. I've been walking to central London, as in Knightsbridge area, for the past 4 days since Monday. Yeah. Yesterday it was the longest distance that I've ever walked in central London. I walked a total of 24 km. Gonna head back now. I'm gonna get some groceries from Sainsbury for tonight's dinner. So we're using this thing, smart shop at Sainsbury's, yeah. So you scan your Nectar card punya number, barcode, and then we'll show you all the things that you scan. I mean when you scan it. So you don't have to go queue up like that. And just scan already, come here, smart shop checkout, put the machine there, then you can pay straight away and just leave. Don't even need to wait for anything. I think we need another bag. Just scan the QR code here, try out all the things. And you can press the arrow up down. Press the arrow up down. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Check out. Press check.
Check out.
No bag.
No bag.
Contactless. Okay. Then just print receipt.
If people cheat.
Okay. It just shoot up lah. Come, let's go. I think you just gotta be honest with yourself lah. You know. Got Nectar points? A lot of contactless things now, except for the machine. The scanner that we are gonna hold. Our dinner tonight: 4 big pieces of salmon and braised cabbage, carrot, and potato.